Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to sign a PDF document on your Mac. First, locate your PDF file and double-click to open it using Preview, your Mac's built-in application. Once open, look for the markup toolbar icon, which resembles a small toolbox symbol. Clicking this icon reveals the necessary editing tools, setting you up for creating your digital signature. This step is crucial for accessing the powerful signature feature. After clicking the markup icon, locate the Sign button, often represented by a stylized signature. Click this button to open the signature creation window. You have two main options here. You can use your Mac's trackpad to carefully draw your signature, making it look exactly how you want. Alternatively, you can use your Mac's camera to capture a signature written clearly on white paper, offering a very authentic look. Select the method that best suits your needs for a perfect digital signature. Once your signature is created, it will automatically appear on your PDF document. You can easily click and drag this signature to move it precisely to the desired location on your form or line. To adjust its size, simply click on one of the blue circles found at each corner of the signature box. Then, drag inward or outward to resize it, making it smaller or larger to fit the designated area perfectly. This allows you to place it with great accuracy. With your signature successfully placed and resized, your document is now officially signed and ready. Preview automatically saves changes as you work, so you generally do not need to manually save the file. If you need a separate copy of the signed document or wish to share it, simply go to the File menu at the top of your screen. Select Export and choose PDF as the format. You can provide a new name, creating a distinct, signed version for your records or distribution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.